kid, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2018, where I'm showing you how the Trailer Park celebrates the holiday. Well, don't forget to download the free calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com so you can follow along, because I see today that it says Chef's Choice. Now, I saw online that a lot of people were talking about potato candy. Yes, that's right, you can make candy from potatoes, and actually mashed potatoes. And this actually was done long ago, and I don't know why it kind of just falled out of fashion. And we're going to be bringing it back today on Trailer Park Christmas. I'm going to show you how to make candy out of mashed potatoes, and it's going to be good, don't you worry. It's up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2018. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my potato candy is really simple. I'm not real sure when potato candy fell out of fashion, but I started seeing people post about it again, and I thought I'd share with you how you too can make it. And I know it sounds unusual. Now, today I'm using some mashed potatoes, and you can certainly take a actual baked potato type thing and throw it in the actual stovetop pan and boil it up and actually make a mash out of it. You don't want to use kind of like garlic mashed potatoes with this. You just want plain, no seasoning. I've got actually 2 pounds, and I know that sounds scary too, of powdered sugar, and that's actually a package, so look for that. I'm going to add about a cup of that here to this. There we go, just about a cup. And I'm going to try to make a dough out of this, and I will check back with you in just a moment. Okay, it's still a little bit not together here, and what I'm going to do is add a little bit of softened butter here to it. About a total of 2 tablespoons we're going to be using today, and I'm just going to start adding more of the powdered sugar to it until we get like a dough that we can actually roll out. So I'm going to finish with some more powdered sugar and some butter until we get a dough, and it's going to take about 2 pounds of powdered sugar. And I know that sounds like a lot. You can figure out the ounce part. I guess you could Google that, but I will check back with you in just a few moments. Okay, we somehow have a batter now. I did add a lot of powdered sugar. That was almost 2 pounds, and maybe a little bit more sometimes depending on the weather. But what I'm going to do is just dump this out onto actually some parchment paper that you put some more powdered sugar on there. So let me just put that down here. And I'm going to dump this out, and we are going to roll this out to kind of a rectangle, because what we're going to be doing is putting peanut butter in it. And I know that sounds unusual too. We're going to be using the creamy peanut butter, and then we're going to be using the parchment paper to kind of roll it up kind of jelly roll style, and that's going to make it real nice. And I'm just going to roll this out to a rectangle. This is going to take me a while working with this, so let me check back with you in just a moment. Okay, we spread it out like a rectangle, and I do have a little bit too much powdered sugar, but it is essentially powdered sugar itself. It's kind of like a dough of powdered sugar. But we're going to be using 3/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, and we are just going to spread that out on a thin layer of this, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, I spread the peanut butter out, and we're going to use the actual parchment paper, and we are going to roll this up jelly roll style really tightly all the way up. So I'll check back with you in just a few moments. Okay, there we go. We rolled it up real tightly so it's going to have some nice spirals in it. And I'm just going to make sure that I've got lots of powdered sugar here to make sure that it doesn't stick to the parchment paper. And I'm going to just put this in the fridge and let this chill up for several hours. And then you're just going to put slices right on in there and it's going to be ready to serve. And you always want to keep it chilled though. So I'll check back with you in a few moments. And there you have it, my potato candy, and it sure does look pretty on the plate. You're going to want to keep this chilled and serve it fresh out of the fridge. And we rolled it up, and if you took a little bit more time with it, you'll get a better spiral. And actually, since mine has been out underneath the lights, it kind of wilted a little bit. So it kind of is starting to melt a little bit, but I'm going to just taste it here. That doesn't taste like a potato. That tastes like peanut butter and like some sort of fudge and very sweet and definitely a treat and definitely something I'm going to finish right now, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. I had so much fun today sharing with you how to make potato candy. I hope you get a chance this holiday to try it and surprise your friends with it too. Don't forget to download my free calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com so you can follow along. I got a video every day until the 25th. I'll see you back tomorrow. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double